Lately, I'm having a hard time reading books, and this is coming from someone who has read a lot in the previous year, but it is just not happening this year. So, this video is kind of a dedication to all the people who are having a hard time reading or are in a very long reading slump. I hope this video is like a gentle reminder that reading can be your safe space again. You know that moment when you finally decide to read, even pick up a book, but then 2 minutes later you put it right back? Not because the book is bad, not because you don't want to read it, but because your mind is somewhere else. Actually, everywhere else. This strangely has become a pattern for many of us. We say we want to read more, we want to feel more grounded, we want to be engaged in the stories that book tell us, but the moment we pick the book, our thoughts scatter. Reading is supposed to be calming, yet for many of us, it feels stressful. Phones buzzing, notifications everywhere, our attention is pulled in every direction. Social media shows us perfect reading lives that suddenly our reading feels like a performance. Life is busy, we are tired, and reading feels like another task that we want to complete. And underneath it all, there is guilt and pressure to read more, to be better. Somewhere along the way, we stopped enjoying reading. It became something that we wanted to excel at. Finish more books, read more, stay consistent, don't fall behind. All these things pushed us away from reading. We need to understand reading isn't a race. It isn't a skill you master, it surely isn't a measurement. So stop pushing yourself to read because actually you are pushing yourself away from reading, and also reading should feel like an invitation and not a demand. Reading becomes more enjoyable when you stop forcing yourself and start to actually sink into the story. The world gets quieter, your thoughts slow down, and you forget that everything else exists because you're so lost in the story. It doesn't happen instantly, it doesn't happen with every book. It happens when the book matches your mood and when you're reading out of curiosity and not obligation. You know, enjoyment comes when you're giving yourself permission to wander through the pages naturally and not being like you have to do this particular thing or you have to read this particular genre. Just let your mind wander freely. You need to start small. By starting small, I mean reading only for a minute or till your tea gets cold or maybe when you're waiting. Most importantly, you need to read when you feel like and not when you think you should. And also, you should read what you feel like. It's not like, just because someone else is reading self help or non fiction, you also push yourself into that kind of books. No, it cannot. It will push you away from reading. Just remember that and read what you feel like. That has been like a very big lesson for me. This year, I tried, shifting what kind of books I read, and that really didn't help me. So, yeah, just take the steps when you're ready and not when you feel like you should be taking them. If you want to, then just do it. But if you don't want to, then don't push yourself, is what I'm trying to say. Reframing the definition of a reader is really very important to get back into your reading journey, because previously my definition of a reader was someone who finishes a dozen of books and someone who completes a book within a day and is like keeping up with the trends and is reading what everyone is reading. But if you ask me now, my definition is totally changed, and that will give me a fresher perspective to read the books that I like. Because now a reader for me is someone who loves or enjoys reading, who reads something, who reads books or novels that they feel like, and not because someone else is reading or someone else is like, oh my god, this book is nice, I think you should try, and in that pressure you're like reading but then you're not enjoying. That is not a reader for me. From now onwards, I'm not going to read the books that I'm not enjoying. I'll just read the things that I love, and I think that will get me into the habit of reading again, and I will enjoy it. I hope I enjoy it. And for someone who is also having a hard time, I hope you do that too. So reframing the definition of being a reader is really very important. And if you have come this far in the video, let me know what your definition of being a reader is, because I would want to know what your definition is. And if it matches with mine, then you are free to subscribe and know more about books from my side. That is all for today. Hope you like it. I, as usual, love talking, and this video is really, really special to me because I enjoy reading. I'm someone who wants to have this habit for lifelong, and I don't want to leave it in between. But lately, I am having a hard time. So, this video, I hope after posting this video, I go back to the things that, brought me into reading in the first place, and I go back to things that are like I am very interested in. Yeah, I just hope that, and happy reading, everyone. Bye. See you in the next video.